Hello friends, today's topic is how to make effective short and crisp notes which will give us an extra edge over others in the examinations, that before examinations we can revise the notes, the subjects full and entire subjects repeatedly, and it will give us an extra advantage over our thought. Let's take an example of the history portion. History books contains at least 8 to 900 chapters, so it is nearly impossible to realize how big it is, and it is nearly impossible to realize and recall in the examination the all and every aspects. Okay, so we have to make some short crisp notes that we can revise it multiple times, and in the examinations we can recall the facts, the figures, the points, the time frames, everything. So today's topic is how to make this kind of shorts and crisp notes which will help us in the examinations. So obviously you have to read the books first. There is no shortcut about it. You have to read the books. After reading the books comprehensively, after understanding the aspects, then you can proceed to the note making. So first you have to read the syllabus entirely. First you have to memorize the syllabus. What is in the syllabus? What is the demand of the examination? So let's have a look. So the syllabus is, let's take ancient Indian history. First, read the syllabus carefully. The importance of ancient Indian history. The construction of ancient Indian history. Geographical settings, Stone Age, stone cover face, Harappan civilization. That's how you read and realize and try to understand what is the need, what is the basic needs of the examination. So here, the importance of ancient Indian history, we have to try to understand what is the importance, why we will read ancient Indian history. This is the demand. The construction of ancient Indian history. We read ancient Indian history by R.S. Sharma, some other writers, but where did it come from? The ancient Indian history, where did it come from? So here the details: material remains, coins, inscriptions, literary sources, foreign accounts, historical sense, foreign travelers. These are the sources from where the history of ancient India came. So now we understand the syllabus, and the second step is read the book. Read the topic carefully and try to understand the topics and make some sense about the topic. Okay, first, the importance of Indian history. What is the importance of ancient Indian history? We have to understand what is the importance, what is the basic importance. So first, just take an overview of the ancient Indian history. Just look the importance of Indian history. Okay, and third step is exercise questions. Read some questions about related to the topics which previously asked in the examinations, like point out the importance of ancient Indian history. It will give you a broad vision about the topic. It will it will help, obviously it will help you to understand the topic. Okay, and it will also be exam oriented understanding. First, read some questions like MC question, broad questions, whatever you want. Just read some question. Point out importance of ancient Indian history. First question is the demand is point out importance of ancient Indian history. What are the importance of the ancient Indian history? And second questions, in what ways does ancient Indian history show the basic unity of India? So basic unity of India, the demand is show the ways. What are the ways that ancient Indian history show the basic unity of India. So we all know that we have unity in diversity. So this is the basic demand of the question. Now we understand the syllabus, we overview the topic, and we understand the questions. Now proceed to the comprehensive reading. And whenever you read, you just like whenever you read a topic, highlight the important words. Like here I try to make some sense. The study of ancient Indian history. Ancient Indian history, this is the important word. The study. What we are doing, we are studying. The study of the ancient Indian history is important for several reasons. So let's read the topic carefully. The study of ancient Indian history is important for several reasons. It tells us how, when, and where people developed earliest cultures in our country. So I highlighted the important words. It indicates how they started agriculture, which made life secure and settled. It shows how the ancient Indians discovered and utilized natural resources, how they created the means for their livelihood. We come to know how they took to farming, spinning, weaving, metalworking, so on. How they cleared forest and how they found villages, cities, finally large kingdom. This is the paragraph. So first question was why we should read the ancient Indian history. What are the importance? So here in this paragraph, it tells us details about the importance of ancient Indian history. So here it tells that ancient Indian history is important for several reasons. It tells us when, how, where people developed their culture, how they started agriculture, settled, okay, discovered, utilized natural resources, created means for livelihoods, farming, weaving, spinning, metalworking, so on, cleared forest, how they cleared forest, found jungles, cities, finally large kingdoms. The end, the final stage, the note making process, how to make notes. Like this is the paragraph, and within 2 lines we can make notes. So first, how to make notes? First, take a page like this, loose page or something, note papers, and now partition 2 parts. First part, close your eyes and try to recall what you read. What is the most important basic words you have read? Okay, so and note them. Note in the first section of your paper. And second, try some diagram, charts, scopes, maps, etc. And just try it. Okay, so first close your eyes and try to recall what you read just now. So most important is why we should read ancient Indian history. What is the importance? Importance is from here we came to know that how, where, when ancient people developed their culture, agriculture, settled life. Okay, then what? Agriculture, how they cleared forest, and lastly, from settled life to large kingdoms. Okay, this farming, spinning, weaving, how they developed all this kind of. So here I will write only this. So just write how, when, where they develop agriculture, settled farming, weaving, spinning, metalworking, and found village and cities, finally large kingdom. So came to know. So let's see. Within 2 lines, this paragraph is complete, fully complete. So that's how we make notes. Now here we can some draw some Hubble spoke, like what they did, importance of. You write some main points here. These points you can put in this diagrams, in this house book, like first settled life, then agriculture, husbandry, then they clear forest and created a settlement. Okay. Fourth, what they did, they they working on spinning, farming, weaving, metalworking. They founded village, then they founded cities. Now they founded large kingdoms. Okay, complete. So within 2 lines, we just completed this whole paragraph. So that's how a short note. This is the process of making of short notes. So this is crisp and easy to revise, and you have to make these short notes by yourselves, because whenever you make a notes by yourselves, it will be easy to understand, it will be easy to read, it will be very helpful before the examinations to revise. So do not try to find some shortcut methods, do not try to find others notes. You will in internet you will find lots of notes by others, but no use, my friends. There will be no use. You have to make short notes by yourself. Okay, so thank you. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.